In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you a powerful, mind-blowing strategy that I have been using for the past few days, and this strategy has been so profitable. I am talking about combining support and resistance with the RSI. RSI stands for Relative Strength Index. It is used to identify an overbought and an oversold condition in the market. So the RSI has 70 line and a 30 line. So whenever the line crosses the 70 mark, it means that the price is in overbought condition. And whenever the RSI line crosses below the 30 mark, it means that the price is in oversold condition. So what I did is I combined support and resistance with the RSI indicator, and this strategy has given me consistent profit. Like I said, I always trade gold because gold has been my favorite pair, right? So sometimes I do play with some indicators alongside with price action to see the one that actually work. But this time around, I can confirm to you guys that combining support and resistance with the RSI indicator is mind-blowing. Honestly speaking, this strategy is so profitable that if you know how to use it very well, you'll be making money consistently in the forex market. You might lose some money, but your winning rate will be higher because you are trading price action alongside with RSI. So what happened is this: you have to look at the market structure first to know whether if the market is trending or ranging, right? Like I said, if the market is ranging, the buyers and the sellers are in equilibrium, right? So the market tends to go up and come down. So whenever the market goes to resistance, you sell, and whenever the market comes to support, you buy, because the market is currently ranging and buyers and sellers are exchanging price. So that is why when the sellers push the price down, the buyers step in and push the price up. So that means the market is ranging. But if the market is trending either up or down, you need to trade in the direction of the trend. So if the market is trending up, you need to buy only. If the market is trending down, you need to sell only. So this is the market structure you should understand before implementing this strategy. For the past few weeks now, the market has been ranging on gold. Like if you look at the higher time frame, like the daily time frame on gold, you can clearly see that the market has been ranging on gold for the past few weeks now. The market has been ranging on gold. So the market has the highest high, which is 2063, and the lowest, which is 2005. So within this 2063 and 2005, the market has been ranging at the higher time frame, right? But if you go down to the lower time frame, you can clearly find a trendy market, right? You can clearly catch a trendy market because a range at the higher time frame can be a trendy market at the lower time frame, right? So that is why you need to understand the market structure, right? So once you understand the market structure, you know where to plot your support and resistance level. Then you can simply plot your RSI indicator and watch for overbought and oversold condition. When the market approaches the resistance level and the RSI line enters the overbought condition, you have to sell because the market is at what? An area of value. And if the market is at the support level and the RSI is at the oversold condition, you need to buy because what? The market is where? At an area of value, right? And for the fact that you have already looked at the higher time frame, which is the daily time frame, and you have confirmed that the market is ranging, then you can clearly trade this strategy profitably because the higher time frame is ranging. So once you are able to plot the tops and the bottoms at the higher time frame, you can scale down to the lower time frame and you'll be able to catch so many trends. Whenever the price approaches the resistance level at the higher time frame and the RSI approaches the overbought, you sell, right? when you go to the lower time frame, you see that you are going to catch so many pips, because at the lower time frame it's going to be a strong trend. The same thing applicable when the price goes down to the support level and the RSI line goes down to oversold condition. You buy, right? And where do you buy? You buy at the lower time frame. So you use the higher time frame, like the 4-hour time frame or the daily time frame, to plot out your area of value, your support and resistance level. Then you can now go to the lower time frame, like the 15-minute time frame or the 5-minute time frame, to place your trade. So what I'm trying to say right now is that the RSI indicator can only be used at the 15-minute, the 30-minute, the 1-hour and the 4-hour time frame. Please do not use it at the 1-minute time frame or 5-minute time frame, because it is just noise. So when the RSI line enters the overbought condition at the 1-minute time frame or 5-minute time frame, that can be seen as noise. So you can only look at RSI starting from the 15-minute time frame up to the 4-hour time frame, right? So what happened is this: when you go to the 4-hour time frame and you're able to spot a resistance level, right, use your horizontal line to map that resistance level, right? And the same thing applicable to support level, right? So what you do is this: you exercise patience and wait for price to move to the resistance level, right? So once the price approaches the resistance level, then you can now go to the 15-minute time frame and look at where the RSI line is. If the RSI line is at the overbought condition and the price is at the resistance level at the 4-hour time frame, honestly speaking, you need to sell, because you are going to cash so many pips. And if the price at the 4-hour time frame approaches a support level, right, and you go to the 15-minute time frame and you see that the RSI line is already at the oversold condition, honestly speaking, you need to buy. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to share my screen with you guys, so that I will show you some practical ways on how you can trade this strategy profitably, right? So I'm going to head straight to my screen. My advice for you guys is to make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end. Don't skip any. Watch the video from beginning to the end, and you are going to learn a powerful strategy that is going to help you to become profitable in the forex market. So I'm going to head straight to the screen, so that I'm going to share a practical way on how you can trade this strategy profitably. So right now we are on my screen. As you can see, I'm using the TradingView platform. So what I normally do is that I use the TradingView as where I do my technical analysis. Yeah, I do my technical analysis using the TradingView, and after which I can now go to the MT4 or MT5 to place my trade, right? So now this is TradingView, and I'm going to show you how you can make use of this strategy profitably, right? Like I said, combining the support and resistance level with the RSI, honestly speaking, this is one of the best strategy that I think will make you money in the forex market. So now let's go to the higher time frame, which is the daily time frame, right? So now let me zoom it out so that you can see it clearly. Okay, now let me remove all these levels. So that you'll be able to get everything correctly. Okay, so now this is the daily time frame, right? This is the daily time frame. You can clearly see that at the daily time frame, the market is currently ranging, right? The overall condition is trending market, because if you zoom out at the daily time frame, you can clearly see that the market is trending up, right? You can clearly see that the market is trending up, making higher high and higher low, higher high and higher low, higher high and higher low. Then when the market got to this resistance level, the market could not make any new highs again, right? Because this spike is news. This spike is news, right? This spike is news. So at the daily time frame, when the market got to these highs, which is 2080, the market could not make any other highs again. So what happened? The market now started ranging at the daily time frame, right? Because if you watch clearly, you see that previously the market was doing what? Was trending up, right? Making higher high and higher low, higher and higher low. But later on, when the market goes to this resistance level, this is the resistance level, the market couldn't make any more higher highs. Because what happened is this: when the market got to this resistance level, price news made the price to break above this resistance level and got to these highs. And what happened? The market got rejected, right? And then came back to test this resistance level, and then the market rallied down again. So the market could not come back to this resistance level again. Rather, the market started ranging, right? So I can clearly say that the market is currently ranging here. So now this is the highest high of the market, right? And this is the lowest, right? This is the lowest of the market. So this is the resistance level, and this is the support level at the higher time frame, which is the daily time frame, right? If you want to see that the market get to this level, got rejected, right? Then broke above it, broke below it, broke above it, and then came back and tested it, and then went up again. So clearly speaking, this is clearly a support level. You can clearly see it again. The market got to the level, got rejected, right? Got to level again, got rejected before it broke above it. So you can clearly see that this is a support level. Why? This is a resistance level at the higher time frame, right? So now you have been able to plot out the support and resistance level at the higher time frame. So what you do is this: you will now scale down to the 4-hour time frame. What I'm doing right now is what I call the top down analysis. That is what I'm doing right now as a day trader. This top down analysis is for day traders, not for position traders. This is clearly for day traders. So you have done your top down analysis starting from the daily time frame, right? So looking at the daily time frame, you can clearly see the highs and the lows, right? So this is the resistance level, this is the support level at the daily time frame, because for many days now price has not been able to break below this support level, and price has not been able to break above this resistance level. So at the daily time frame, this is the resistance level and this is the support level, right? So now we will now go to the 4-hour time frame, because I've been able to plot out our levels at the daily time frame. So this is the 4-hour time frame, right? This is the 4-hour time frame. So you can clearly see our resistance level and our support level at the daily time frame. So now this is the 4-hour time frame. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to plot out our key levels at the 4-hour time frame. So right now you can clearly see the levels here, right? These are the key levels. This key level, support level. So this is the resistance level for the 4-hour time frame. This is the resistance level. This is also another key level. This is also another key level, right? This is also another key level, and we have another level again at 15. We have another level again at 15. Okay, so we have another level here. All right, at 14. Sorry. All right, so now we have resistance level. So we have this new resistance level again. Then we have the support level. We have the support level, and we have the support level. So now we have plotted out our key levels using the 4-hour time frame. So what we're going to do right now is we'll now scale down to the 1-hour time frame to see whether we can be able to plot another level again at the 1-hour time frame. So this is clearly the 1-hour time frame. This is the 1-hour time frame. So is there any level? Okay, I think we can see a level. So this level we can see at the 1-hour time frame. This is the level we can see, right? Now I think we are able to get just one level at the 1-hour time frame. Everything is good. So we are able to spot two levels at the daily time frame. Then we're able to, which is this level. Which is okay. Daily time frame, we got two levels, right? Okay, at the daily time frame, we got two levels, which is this level and this level, which is what we got at the daily time frame. Why at the 4-hour time frame, we got this level, this level, this level, and this level, right? So it was at the 1-hour time frame that we got just one levels, right? So which is this level, right? So we got one level at the 1-hour time frame. No, I think we have two levels at the 1-hour time frame. So I think we have another level. So this is the next level we have at the 1-hour time frame. This is the next level we have. So now we have been able to plot our key levels using top-down analysis from the daily time frame to the 1-hour time frame. So we have been able to plot out our key levels. So now if you don't want these levels to move out, you can easily lock it, right? There's a room for you to lock it, right? You can easily lock it so that you will not be able to move out. You can easily lock the levels so that the level will remain permanent there. It can't go out, because this level is going to be helpful you lock it so that it can't move away, right? Good. So you lock the levels so that whenever you're moving your cursor, you will not be able to move out the level. Okay, right? Make sure the level is locked. All right. Okay, right. So now we have locked the levels, and remember to save after doing that. Good. Now we have been able to plot out our key levels, right? We have been able to plot out our key levels using top-down analysis from the daily time frame to the 1 hour time frame. So now let's go back to the daily time frame. So the daily time frame, we can clearly see that the market is in an uptrend. When it got to this highs, the market started to range, right? So we can clearly see that the market is still in an uptrend, meaning that if the market breaks above these highs, the uptrend continues, and if the market breaks below this low, the downtrend continues. So we're waiting for the price to break above these highs, right? We're waiting for the market to break above this high for uptrend to continue, or breaks below this low for a downtrend to continue. So what we'll do, we use our trend line to confirm to us that the market is clearly trending up at the higher time frame, which is the daily time frame, right? So this is it. So our trend line will now confirm to us that the market is trending up at the daily time frame. Okay, now you can clearly see that the market is going up at the daily time frame. You can clearly see the market is going up at daily time frame. So when the market got to this level, the market started to range, right? So we have done that. Then we'll now go back to the 1 hour time frame to make sure that everything is in order. All right, okay. So right now we have been able to plot our key levels. So what we're waiting for is for price to make a directional move to any of these levels for us to take action. So for us to blend our strategy to get a sniper entry, we need to include what the RSI, the relative strength index. So to do that, you simply go to indicator and then you type RSI, right? So this is it, relative strength index. You simply click on it and it will come out. So for the fact I have it already, I'll just make it visible, right? So this is the RSI. So once you click on the RSI, this window will open. This RSI window will open, right? This is the RSI, right? So we have the upper band and the lower band. So the upper band is 70, while the lower band is 30, right? So you can simply go to the settings. If you want to make the correction, you can simply go to the settings, right? The RSI settings. Go to the input. Make sure that the MA is 14. That is the SMA is 14. Then you go to the style. This is the color of the RSI, which is blue, right? You can see it now. You can click on it and increase it or decrease if you wish to. That is the RSI. Then the RSI upper band is 70, which is red. This is it. While the lower band is 30, which is red, which is this. So you can just click and save it and click OK and it will save. So once you have done that, the next thing you have to do is to relax and look at the price action, right? Look at the price action. So what you will do is this. You go down to the 4 hour time frame. So you go up to the 4 hour time frame. Now you are looking for an area of value. Now this is clearly an area of value, right? This is clearly an area of value where price got to and got rejected, right? This is also an area of value where price got to and got rejected. So you go to the lower time frame, which is the 15-minute time frame. Okay, so this is the 15-minute time frame. So you zoom the chart, you zoom out the chart so that you can be able to get the levels very well. All right, so zoom out the chart very well. Okay, this is the 15-minute time frame. So you can clearly see that the levels are visible. The levels are visible. So now I watch and see what I'm talking about. Now, just understand what I'm talking about, right? Now look at the levels. Now let's go back here. So let's start from here. Okay, let's start from here. Now, this is a resistance level, right? So what happened? The price entered the resistance level, and what happened? The RSI entered overbought condition, right? So this is the overbought condition, and this is the resistance level, right? So the price approached the resistance level, and the RSI enters overbought condition. So once you see that the RSI is at the overbought condition and the price is at the resistance level, you simply sell. So once you sell, your stop loss should be above this resistance level, right? Your stop loss should be above this resistance level, right? And your take profits can be either at this support level or this support level, because you have already done your key levels using the higher time frame, right? So you can clearly see that whenever the price enters the overbought condition, and whenever the RSI enters the overbought condition and price enters the resistance level, you are meant to sell, because what happened? The price will rally down. Look at another one again. The price enters into a resistance level. This is a resistance level, right? And what happened? The RSI line enters the overbought condition, and what happened? The price went down again. And then look at it again. The price approaches the resistance level, and the RSI enters the overbought condition, and what happened? The price rallied down. This is another example. The RSI enters into the overbought condition, and the RSI approaches the close to the resistance level, and what happened? The price rallied down, right? This is another example. This is another example here. You can see the price enters into the resistance level, and the RSI approaches close to the overbought condition, and the price rallied down. There are so many examples. Now look at this one again. The price now went down to this support level, right? And the RSI broke below the oversold condition, right? You can see that the RSI broke below the oversold condition, right? This is where the RSI is. So you can clearly see that the price is already at the support level, right? This is the support level. So once the price is at the oversold condition, right, at the RSI, when the RSI is at oversold condition and the price is clearly at the support level, you are meant to do what? You are meant to buy, because it's just a matter of time. The price will come out from that oversold condition and then rally up, right? So the RSI will give you a confluence whenever the price approaches a resistance level for you to take action. Now let me show you another example of what I'm talking about. So you can clearly see this is clearly a resistance level, right? This is a resistance level, and what happened? When the price got to the resistance level, the RSI enters into an overbought condition, right? So you can see that the RSI is at overbought condition and the price is at the resistance level. So once you see that the price is at the resistance level and the RSI is at the overbought condition, you are meant to do what? You are meant to sell, right? You are meant to do what? You are meant to sell, right? So this is another example again. This is another example again. The price entered into an overbought condition, and the RSI entered into an overbought condition, and the price enters into the resistance level. You can clearly see this is the resistance level. You can see it now. This is the resistance level, and the RSI is already at the overbought condition. So once you see that the RSI is already at the overbought condition and the price is at the resistance level, you are meant to sell, right? You are meant to sell. What you need to do is place your sell trade, and then make sure your profit, what you have to do is place your sell trade here. Make sure your stop loss is above this resistance level. Your stop loss is above it, and then your take profit should be at the support level, right? Or you can target the second level. If you don't want to target this one, you can target this one, right? So once you blend the RSI indicator with support and resistance level, you'll be able to make money consistently, because you're going to get so many sniper, right? So many sniper entry. This is another example again. You can see that the price rallied down, broke below the first support level, broke below the second support level, and then came to this third support level. And what happened? The RSI enters into what? An oversold condition. So you can see that the RSI is at the oversold condition. Look at where the RSI is, at the oversold condition. So once you notice that the RSI is at oversold condition, what you have to do is you have to buy, because if you check clearly now, you can see that this long red candle, right, before it closes, this is where the red candle closes. This point, this is where it closes, right? So if you watch where it closes, see that when it closes, the RSI has already reached oversold condition. This is where the RSI is, where it closes, right? So once the price starts ranging at this support level, once the price start ranging at this support level and the RSI is already at the oversold condition, you don't need a prophet to tell you that this is the right time to buy. Once the price is now ranging at the support level, because you can see that the price is still rallying down, going down, right? And then the RSI line is going down too, and then the RSI line broke below the oversold condition, right? So once the RSI line is at the oversold condition and the price is at the support level and then start ranging, once the price is now ranging at this support level and the RSI is at the oversold condition, you don't need a prophet to tell you that this is the right time to buy. So you have to buy, because you can clearly see that the price is at the support level and the RSI line is at the oversold condition, right? So this is what we call sniper entering. With this strategy, you are going to be making money back to back. Now this is another example again. So many examples. This is another example again. You can clearly see this one now. This is the one I'm talking of now. The price approaches the support level, and what happened? The RSI approaches the oversold condition. Look at another one again. Right, so now that the RSI line is at the overbought condition and the price is at the resistance level, this is a level, right? This is not just a line, this is a level, this is a resistance level, and the RSI line is at the overbought condition and the price is clearly at the resistance level. You don't need a prophet to tell you to sell, because this is the point where the RSI enters overbought condition. At this point, this is the point where the RSI line entered overbought condition. So at this point, can clearly see it, right? So this is the candlestick, this green candlestick. It was when it closes that the RSI line enters into the overbought condition. So at the close of this green candlestick, right, you are meant to sell. Once this green candlestick closes, you can see the rejection, meaning that the price cannot go any further, and the RSI line is already at the overbought condition. So you are meant to sell, right? You are meant to sell, and your take profit should also be at this previous support level for day traders, right? So look at another example again. The price now rallied down all the way to this support level. You can clearly see this is the support level. So the price rallied down to this support level, and what happened? The RSI line came back again to the oversold condition. So you can clearly see that the RSI line is at the oversold condition while the price is at the support level, right? So now once you see that the price is at the support level and the RSI line is already at the oversold condition, you don't need a prophet to tell you that this is the right time to buy, right? So what you do is you place your buy trade immediately you spot that the price is at the support level and the RSI line is at the oversold condition. You simply place your buy trade here, and then your stop loss will be below this support level. What will be your take profit? Your take profit will be at this resistance level, right? This should be your take profit, right? Your take profit should be at this resistance level. So when the price comes here, it smash your take profit, right? So you can clearly see that once the price gets to this support level and the RSI line enters the oversold condition, what happened? The price reversed and went up, right? So look at another example again. So the price now rallied down again to this support level, and what happened? The RSI line came back again to the oversold condition. You can clearly see that the RSI line is at the oversold condition while the price rallied down to the support level. So once the price is at the support level and then tend to be ranging and the RSI line is at the oversold condition, once you see that the price is ranging at the support level and the RSI line is at the oversold condition, you need to buy, because what will happen is the market will reverse and start going up, right? So once the price enters the support level and the RSI line is at the oversold condition, you don't need anybody to tell you that this is the right time to buy. So what you do is you simply place your buy trade somewhere here, then your stop loss will be below this support level. So your stop loss will be here, you place your buy trade here, stop loss will be here, and what will be your take profit? At this resistance level. So this should be your take profit. If you see that the price is still rallying up, making a range here, so this is where the price closed on Friday yesterday. So by Monday, I believe the price will continue to rally up until it gets to this level, this resistance level, right? So if care is not taken, the price might even broke above this resistance level and approach the next resistance level, right? So you can clearly see that combining the RSI line with the support and resistance level gives you a powerful sniper entry, right? It gives you what? A powerful sniper entry. So Once you are able to master this strategy very well, I promise you, you are going to be making money back to back consistently, right? So that is all I have for you in today's video. My advice for you guys is to go and backtest this strategy, backtest it very well, and if the strategy is working for you, you can then implement it in your real account. So you have to first and foremost backtest this strategy on a demo account, and if the strategy is working for you perfectly well, then you can now use it at the real account, and I promise you are going to be profitable with this strategy. So ladies and gentlemen, that is all I have for you in today's video. I hope you love this video. If you do, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more educative content like this, and also don't forget to turn on the notification icon to be the first to be notified whenever I publish new content. I will see you again in my next update. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.